Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can enable the focus mode for elements, images, and shapes in your web designs on Penpot in 2026. So let us dive into this. Start by navigating to your web design project, select the page, and then navigate to the given element. Like for example, you can go with an image or other layers like, I don't know, text boxes, shapes. So what does the focus mode do? Let me show you. Right click into the given element, for example, that image here on your canvas, and then choose focus on. You may also use the shortcut F for that. And that is going to zoom to fit to the given element. Now, as you can see, we have that image here in the focus, but you can of course zoom out again. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. So right click. You can also turn off the focus by clicking into F again, or this option, and that is going to restore the previous mode, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.